Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to disable Authenticator app on Roblox. So firstly, open up your browser and in the search panel of your browser, type Roblox. Then click on the Google search button. After that, go to the Roblox website. Then let the website load properly. After the website loads, make sure that you're logged in with your ID, then click on the gear button. After that, go to the settings menu. Now go to the security tab. From here, if you have your Authenticator app connected as a two-step verification, the Authenticator app will be set as toggled on, and if it is not toggled on, then you do not have an Authenticator app set up. And now in order to disable this Authenticator app, all you have to do is click on this toggle button, and after that you need to click on confirm. By clicking on confirm, Roblox Authenticator app verification will be turned off, and that's it.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.